What's poppin', nerds? It's Mr. Godzilla, and in this video, I'm going to tell you about my new project, which is to build a computer from scratch. So basically, I saw the price and it cost over £200. So we're going to run it back slowly. So I picked out each individual component aside from the anti-static wristband. So in total, it will cost like £300. That's a lot of money, but because I need a new computer, my old computer is messing me up. I need to upgrade. So by the way, you all should not forget that this project costs a lot of money. I haven't added the price of the monitor because the monitor costs the most out of all the other components. The motherboard is slightly inexpensive. It's like £34, but the LCD, the monitor can cost over £50-60, and I'm trying to get the touch screen for better accuracy.